Okay, guys, so now that we've calculated the fats and the proteins, we are going to go ahead and calculate our carbohydrates needs. We're going to find out how many grams of carbohydrates as well as how many calories of carbohydrates we need. So, carb needs. Okay, so from here, we know that we have the, and I'm going to see if I can bring this here down a little bit. Okay, in here, we have the calories from fat and the calories from proteins. We need to find out the calories from carbs. So what we're going to do is we're going to add those up, okay? So we have, in order to calculate the calories from carbs, we're going to take the calories from protein, okay? And we're going to add those to the calories from fat. And we're going to add those two up, okay? So we know that as from our chart, okay, when we look at our chart right here, there are 616 calories in protein and 660 calories from fat. So I'm going to put 616 calories from protein plus the 660 calories from fat. Okay, this is going to give me 1,276 calories. Okay, so these are, these are the calories from both of these. Now, from our earlier equation, we have a total of 2,200 calories that our guy had to consume in a day. Okay, and I'm gonna put here in a day. Okay, so we've got to find out the difference between the two, meaning we have to subtract this number from this number to see how many calories from carbs we need. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to grab the total calories of 2,200, yep, minus 1,276, okay, and I get 924 calories, okay. So these are the amount of calories that need to come from carbs, okay. So based on that, now once again 924. So we're gonna put this 924 in the calories coming from carbs. Okay, so now we gotta find out the grams. Okay, so we know from class that there are 4 calories in 1 gram of carbs. Okay, so we're gonna take this 924 and we're gonna divide it by the 4 calories in order to get the grams. Okay, so we are going to do that, and when you do this equation, you have 231 grams coming from carbs. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our chart and we're gonna write that 231 grams. So these are the ranges that this guy should shoot for, okay, in order to get the needs that he needs per day. If you guys have any more questions as to how to calculate all this, let me know. This is when we do the exam, the final exam. This is the chart that I'll be giving you guys, and this is the chart that I'll be checking. Okay, so depending how you do your rounding, these numbers may be off that we rounded. So for example, if you're rounded to 74, I'll still take it. It's still close to 73. Okay, and I know another number that we rounded was the proteins. Okay, so just use a common knowledge that we have about math in regards to running up or down. Remember, if anything is lower than 0.5, we round down. Okay, if anything is 0.5 or higher, we round up. Okay, just remember that it's the same thing. So anything with a 5, so 125, okay, would probably be rounded to 130. Okay, if we're talking about in terms of like actual calorie needs. Okay, But for the sake of this problem, this is how you're round. And if you're off by a little bit, I'm not going to dog you down. I mean, if you give me like 271, then yes, I know you didn't do this calculation correctly, okay? But if you're around anywhere between 230 and 233 or something like that, I'll go ahead and take that, okay? Hope this helped, guys. If not, just leave me an email. And the best way for you guys to reach me right now, just because we are being bombarded with emails from every kind of which direction, is via Canvas. So if you guys send me messages via Canvas, I actually get those first. So please do that. That is the better and fastest way to get to me and ask me questions. All right, guys, I hope this helped. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.